Today I'm sharing my time and money saving kitchen hack for washing and storing berries so they don't mold and they're always ready to grab and go when you need them. Let me show you. On my left, I have fresh berries, and on my right, berries that are a week old. These were washed using my kitchen hack, which I have tested multiple times, and as you can see, there's absolutely no mold. Today I hit up my local farmers market and oh my goodness, total berry jackpot. The only problem is berries this ripe usually go bad in like 2 to 3 days max. And let's be real, my family cannot eat them that fast. So they end up moldy, mushy, and totally wasted. But not anymore. We're about to enjoy these beauties all week long, and you can too. Start by filling your salad spinner with water. Toss in the strawberries and add a splash of vinegar, like 2 to 3 tablespoons. This helps get rid of bacteria that causes mold. I actually looked it up. Vinegar loosens dirt, kills bacteria, even E. coli. Now gently swish the berries for 2 minutes. Be sure to set a timer and then rinse them well under running water for at least 30 seconds. You do not want any of that vinegar flavor on your strawberries. Trust me, I have learned this the hard way. And then we are going to put them in the salad spinner for 30 seconds. The salad spinner helps to reduce the drying time, but if you don't have one, you can use a bowl and colander instead. Gently place the strawberries on a towel you don't mind getting a little stained. Then pat them dry carefully. You want to get rid of as much moisture as possible, especially around the leaves. They hold a ton of water, so I like to gently rub them with the towel to help them dry faster. Now lay the berries out to air dry at least 4 to 5 hours. If it's hot out or you're worried about a fly sneaking in, just fold the towel over them or pop a fruit net on top. The goal here is to get them completely dry before storing. Once they're dry, you're going to pop them into an airtight container lined with 2 paper towels. Those will soak up any leftover moisture. And if you like this hack, please be sure to hit the subscribe for more tips. Now we're doing the same thing with the blueberries and blackberries. Add them to the salad spinner, pour in the vinegar, and let them soak for 2 minutes. After that, rinse really well, like 30 seconds to get rid of any vinegar taste. Give them a quick spin to remove moisture, then lay them out on a towel and gently pat them dry. If you spot any stems, now's a good time to pick them out. Allow your berries to fully air dry at least 4 to 5 hours before storing. Line an airtight container with 2 paper towels, add the berries, and pop it in the fridge. Now we're doing the same thing with the raspberries, but these need a little extra TLC. Gently place them in the salad spinner, slowly add water, then pour in the vinegar. Give them a super gentle swish and let them soak for 2 minutes. Next, rinse carefully for about 30 seconds to get rid of that vinegar taste. Spin them gently to remove excess moisture, then lay them out on a towel and pat them dry carefully. Let them air dry completely for at least 4 to 5 hours. I usually wrap all my berries up in kitchen towels like little berry burritos. They just chill on the counter for a few hours each weekend. But pro tip, let your family know what's up or someone might grab a towel to dry their hands and send berries flying across the kitchen. Once fully air dried, line an airtight container with 2 paper towels, add the berries, and pop them in the fridge. It's super convenient to have these ready for making overnight oats, 5-minute yogurt bowls, or just to place on the table at mealtime. And that's it, my kitchen hack for keeping berries fresh for over a week. No mold, no waste, and it saves you time and money. So if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hey, drop your favorite kitchen hacks in the comments below. I'd love to try them out. Bye.